Archaeologist Mark Altaweel takes a closer look.
The kind of thing that when you see it almost anywhere in the world, you say immediately, it definitely is man-made.
The rings of the structure look like the walls of some sort of compound, like something that's been designed.
We're in the middle of the Antarctic, so what in the world is that doing there?
Scientists discover a new species lurking in the depths of the Southern Ocean. This is the Antarctic strawberry feather star. Biologists have found a wealth of new species after exploring a rift some 5 kilometers beneath the sea. The organisms include some that scientists can't even identify. Hello history buffs, time travelers, and scholars. Antarctica is larger than the USA and Mexico combined. And yet we still know next to nothing about what's hidden behind its menacing ice walls. So what's actually lurking down near the South Pole? What secrets lie beyond the icy barrier waiting to be uncovered? Now, in a stunning turn of events, a drone flew over the Antarctic ice wall, capturing the most astonishing footage ever seen. It flown 720 kilometers on a mission to change how science is done in hostile environments. At the North Pole, it's near the South Pole where some serious scientific action has been taking place. The gold-spurting volcano, one of the most surprising discoveries, comes from Mount Erebus, the southernmost active volcano in Antarctica. While scientists have known about its eruptions for a while, drone footage showed something unexpected. This volcano doesn't just spit out lava. It also releases tiny crystals, including bits of metallic gold. Even though the gold is too small to see easily, it was caught shimmering in the snow around the volcano, adding a magical sparkle to the already strange scenery. Blood-red waterfalls. Among the most haunting images captured was the chilling footage of Antarctica's blood falls. The cascading red liquid is not a product of a brutal massacre or strange alien life form as some might imagine, but rather a naturally occurring waterfall tinged red by iron-rich salt water. The drone footage zoomed in on this mean phenomenon, showing the eerie blood-like flow in stark contrast to the surrounding white ice. Mountain range hidden beneath ice, in a landscape that looks endlessly flat and desolate, it's hard to imagine that there are mountains towering beneath the surface. Yet that's exactly what the drone footage revealed. The Gambit-Sev Mountains, hidden beneath miles of ice, are larger than any range above ground. Stretching 750 miles in width with peaks over 9,000 feet high, these mountains were first discovered in the 1950s. But drones have now provided some of the most detailed visual documentation of their existence. The footage confirms what scientists have speculated for years, that Antarctica is hiding entire landscapes beneath its frozen surface waiting to be explored. Antarctica's cold desert and life beneath the ice. While most of Antarctica is a frozen desert with only a few pockets of life, the drone footage captured a surprising number of creatures calling this frigid environment home. From massive colonies of emperor penguins to strange slug-like sea pigs, the wildlife revealed was diverse and intriguing. The most shocking creatures discovered were the terrifyingly large sea spiders. Thanks to a phenomenon called polar gigantism, these once tiny creatures have grown to nightmarish proportions in Antarctica, with leg spans as wide as 10 inches. These creatures, along with giant albatrosses, wandering killer whales, and the dangerous leopard seals, were captured in stunning detail by the drones. If there's anything truly mysterious hidden in Antarctica, it's unlikely the public will ever hear about it. Governments have long been known to keep such discoveries under wraps, especially when it comes to places as isolated and enigmatic as the South Pole. The truth is, they never want the common man to know the full extent of what's been found. These so-called new discoveries are likely just advanced versions of what they've known all along, kept secret for reasons we may never fully understand. After all, if there's something world-changing hidden beneath that ice, it wouldn't be surprising if it stayed buried in classified files. Mysteries of Antarctica. The Antarctic ice walls have long been a subject of fascination and mystery. Towering over the frozen landscape, these colossal barriers stretch for miles, marking the edge of one of Earth's most inhospitable regions. While much of Antarctica remains unexplored, the ice walls themselves are believed to hide secrets that few have dared to imagine. The ice shells of Antarctica were likely first seen in 1820 during a Russian expedition led by Fabian Gottlieb von Bellingshaw and Mikhail Lazarev. Von Bellingshaw, a member of the expedition, reported seeing an ice shore of extreme height. Sir James Clark Ross discovered the Ross Ice Shelf on January 28, 1841. Originally called the Barrier and Great Ice Barrier, the ice shelf was named after Ross. And this leads to the theory of hollow Earth. Do you know about the concept of hollow Earth? Check out this declaration of John Cleve Sims about hollow Earth. He wrote, "I declare the Earth is hollow and habitable within." Wait a minute, I know that few rodents live there. What the hell is he talking about? Let's go on with his declaration. "I declare the Earth is hollow and habitable within, containing a number of solid concentric spheres, one within the other, and that it is open at the poles 12 or 16 degrees. I pledge my life in support of this truth." See, I am sure he is not talking about the rodents, but nobody believed him at that time. He was a U.S. Army officer from Cincinnati who devoted his life to promoting his theory of the hollow Earth. His claims changed over time, but the central thrust of the idea was that the Earth was a hollow shell 800 m thick with 1000 m wide openings at both of the poles through which a fertile interior could be accessed by intrepid explorers. He faced a lot of backlashes from the government, but who knows, the government is trying to hide something using this concept. A full web series, Monarch, The Legacy of Monsters, is written where it is stated that Earth is hollow within and a monster species called Titans live under these hollow spheres. But for now let us shift our focus to the ice walls. Check out this video uploaded to NBC News in which there was some humming sound from these ice walls. The only continent with no history of human habitation, the vast ice fields of Antarctica have formed a blank slate onto which humanity can project itself. The Antarctic ice walls have become the subject of both inspiring scientific exploration and wild conspiracy theories. While Antarctica is known as the southernmost continent of our globe, some conspiracy theorists argue it is not a continent at all, but rather an impenetrable ice wall that encircles a flat Earth. This mysterious notion has sparked debates and fueled various other theories about what lies beyond the ice. But where did these ideas come from? And why does Antarctica remain such an enigma? The ice wall and flat Earth theories. According to one of the more popular conspiracy theories, Antarctica is not a natural landmass at the South Pole but a massive ice wall that prevents humanity from seeing what lies beyond. Flat Earth believers claim that shady government agents are actively hiding the truth, barring people from visiting the continent to prevent them from uncovering the supposed secrets. This theory gained traction as gaps in public knowledge about Antarctica persisted, allowing imaginative minds to fill the void with intrigue and suspicion. Though the ice wall theory is a modern fabrication, it taps into deep-rooted human curiosity about what lies at the edges of the unknown. With Antarctica being one of the least visited and most inhospitable regions on the planet, it's no wonder that some believe it holds hidden truths waiting to be discovered. Antarctica in popular culture. Antarctica's isolation and extreme conditions have also played a role in shaping its mysterious image in popular culture. Films like The Thing, 1982, depict the continent as a place of peril, isolation, and unspeakable horrors lurking beneath the surface. These representations reinforce the idea that Antarctica is a land of secrets, reinforcing the notion that what we don't know must be extraordinary or even dangerous. Science versus speculation. While conspiracy theories and fictional accounts capture the imagination, scientific exploration continues to push the boundaries of our understanding of Antarctica. Today, advanced technologies like drones, satellite imaging, and submersibles allow researchers to map the ice, study its ecosystems, and delve deeper into the frozen continent's mysteries. Despite these advancements, conspiracy theorists still question what lies beyond the Antarctic ice walls, blending fantasy with facts. From global warming denial to AI-generated images depicting lava crafts and horrors, the Antarctic conspiratorial landscape is a tangled web of speculation and intrigue. What lies beyond the ice walls? While the Antarctic ice walls are real, they are not the barriers to a flat Earth or a hidden world as some believe. They are the edges of a frozen wilderness where life exists against all odds. Beneath the ice, researchers have uncovered ancient fossils, subglacial lakes, and ecosystems untouched for millions of years. These scientific discoveries are thrilling in their own right, offering a glimpse into Earth's past and revealing the planet's ongoing evolution. As scientists continue to explore this remote region, we may yet uncover more fascinating truths. But for now, the mysteries of the Antarctic ice walls remain a curious mix of wonder and speculation, drawing the line between science and the ever-present allure of the unknown. Antarctica, with its towering ice walls and forbidding climate, continues to captivate the human imagination. Whether through groundbreaking scientific discoveries or wild conspiracy theories, the frozen continent remains one of the greatest mysteries of our time. While the truth may not involve flat Earths or hidden civilizations, the secrets that lie beneath the ice are no less remarkable, offering us a glimpse into a world as alien as it is real. If you enjoyed watching this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos.